Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. This is the 16-inch Retina, the 2019 edition, so the physical escape key, separate Touch ID. You guys know all the specs. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I am so excited to do this. That felt so good. Okay, in the plastic. And yes, I will be keeping the box. Okay. Up comes. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. In the trash. Okay, and let's pull out the MacBook Pro. We'll come back to the box here in a second, but there it is. This is actually going to be the first video edit on this MacBook Pro, and I am super excited. Wow, this actually has like a paper quality to it. Normally it's like plastic, but this is totally not just plastic. There's something else to it, but that's really cool. Okay. Also in the box, we have the starter kit, the 96 watt, I believe it is, charger. Again, paper. It's so weird. But there it is. And then, obviously, the universal USB-C to USB-C charger. So, I think we shall open it for the first time. Before we do that, we got the MacBook Pro booklet, the FCC warnings, Apple stickers, and I think that is everything. Okay, let us open it. So this Mac does not have a physical power button, so the second I open it, it is going to just turn on. And there it goes. Turning on already and booting up super quickly. It is, oh my god, this thing is beautiful. I almost am like scared to touch it, but I'm obviously going to use it every single day. So I'm going to set it up and then I'll come back with my first impressions. Okay, so I've managed to go ahead and set up the Mac. So let's just try going to the App Store. Gotta find it. And I will say, things are super snappy. You can definitely feel the SSD and all that great stuff working for me here. So we're gonna search Screenflow so I can show you.
Okay, so this is just a little section of the video that I had meant to record. So I installed Screenflow, so I should be showing you exactly what's on my Mac. Obviously, it's several hours later when I'm recording this portion. I wanted to get everything installed and get things set up the way I like it. Without getting into too much detail, things are just so buttery smooth. So I have the footage you just saw here, and if I just scrub through, see how smooth that is? It's incredibly smooth playbacks, and it just blows my mind how simple and easy this is to edit on compared to my Mac Pro, where this would have taken, just something as simple as that, would have taken a good 5 or 10 minutes just to get it set up, ready to go, create those proxy files, and it was at least 20 to 30 minutes before I could really start editing. this, I was up and running in a matter of minutes once I got Premiere Pro installed. It was so easy to get up and running on here. I cannot stress how much I love this thing enough. It's so worth it to me to have such a great operating system and a great computer. I don't want to spend too much time on this screen recording because this isn't a tutorial or anything. I just wanted to show you how much better my workflow is going to be and how much better quality I'm going to be able to give you guys with this new MacBook Pro. So I'm going to send it back to the pre-recorded part that I recorded earlier today. So just wanted to pop in here real quick.
Okay, so I managed to go through the setup, and I gotta say, this display is just amazing. Obviously, this is just an unboxing and my first impression, but my first impression is this thing is amazing. I'm gonna go explore, expect a full review coming soon. This is actually gonna be the first video I edit on the new MacBook, and definitely stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.